Check in with our first alert meteorologist, Aaron Moran, and kind of a dreary day all the way around, Aaron.
It is another cloudy and cool day. This is our Dallas cam right now. Temperatures sitting at 64 degrees. We've got a west-northwest wind at 7 miles an hour. We're expecting the wind to pick up, though, as the rain kind of really ramps up here in North Texas. You can see a few raindrops on the camera there. Temperatures in the Metroplex sitting in the low to mid 60s, but out to the west, we've got temperatures sitting in the mid and upper 50s right now. So a very cool day, and a lot of the 50s are coming with the steadier rain that has picked up. I know it took a little while to finally see the rain across all of North Texas, but this is all generally going to start moving to the east over the next hour or so. And while the overall severe threat, thinking hail and winds and tornadoes, that threat is on the lower side, but the flooding threat is going to be there, and we're already kind of seeing it, because as you look at these showers and storms in motion right now, so from Jack County into Palo Pinto County, starting to stretch into parts of Wise County and Parker County as well, that's where we're starting to see all of this rain really kind of filling in here, but it's very slow moving across the area. So a lot of these showers and storms are dumping just in the last hour or two more than 2.5 inches of rainfall over the same area. Now I do generally think we're going to continue to see all of this moving to the east, but you've got more rain developing in Johnson County. We're now starting to see some showers and storms developing in Ellis County, Hill County, Bosque County, of course, seeing this. We do have a few spots that are already dealing with some very heavy rains just in the last 3 hours. You can see from Hood County into Erath County, where it gets a little brighter, likely seeing 1 to 3 inches of rain in the last 3 hours. And the rain is still ongoing there. So that's where we've got this flood advisory, the one flood advisory that we're kind of keeping an eye on right now. Bosque, Erath, Hamilton, and Hood County goes through 145. But remember, we still have flood watches to the east, because our concern is as this upper level low continues to move off to the northeast, it's going to pull all of this rain with it. The rain coverage is going to expand, and then we will likely see some flooding rains across parts of North Texas. So the flood watch, it was actually extended, not really expanded. It's still our counties to the east of 35 and 45, does not include the Metroplex. However, originally this only went till 7 a.m. and then the National Weather Service extending it until 7 o'clock this evening. So it's part of the reason why we here at CBS News Texas extended our weather alert into today. So just kind of looking over the next couple of hours, we will likely start to see some of that heavy rain move into the Metroplex. So again, the overall severe threat is low. There could be a few stronger storms with some gusty winds, not even going to rule out the chance for some small hail, but it's that flooding threat more than anything else, because the showers and storms are likely going to be very slow moving. And then think about all of those areas to the south and east of DFW proper that saw more than 5 inches of rain yesterday alone. They're likely going to see some very heavy rain as we head between 4, 5 o'clock this afternoon. By 6, 7 o'clock, when that flood watch is finally set to expire, then we see all of this clearing out, and it leads to the light at the end of the tunnel that I talked about yesterday. We will finally have nice weather for Thursday and Friday. Tomorrow, sunny skies, still kind of a breezy northwest wind, but temperatures should be able to get back into the 70s. And then we've got a high of 80 on Friday. Windy this weekend, but 82 on Saturday, 85 on Sunday, and then it gets a little more unsettled as we head into the beginning of next week, Karen. Well,